Assalamualaikum, good morning everyone. I hope you are all well and welcome to my channel, Travel Scotland with Anila and Rizwan. It's still very cold and it's freezing temperature. Today it's -7. Oh, this is the snow, it's still really bad. Just need to be careful. You can hear the birds. It's very cold, not much happening because of this cold weather. We had snow last night. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is for the birds, and I normally put water here. Look at this bird, beautiful bird flying. I'm going to put some food out for the birds. Oh, it's really cold. I think that's the neighbour's dog barking. It looks beautiful to see all these birds in the morning. And you can hear them. I think he knows I'm going to put some food out, that one. That bird over there on the tree branch. Before I do, I need to go into my shed. I need to go into my shed to get some. I'll save this. I don't think it's going to open, so I did bring hot water. To open the lock. Maybe frost. Just bear with me. I need to I need to get some stuff out the shed. Some bird food. Oh my god. It's right. Oh, look at these birds. Right, I'm bringing your food out, birdies. I will show you the front garden tour. It's been really cold, nothing's happening. We went to Edinburgh, it was really nice in Edinburgh. But there was not much snow over there, it was very cold over there. It's just been cold and freezing temperature. So mostly being indoors. I'm on holiday at the moment, so. Right, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to get some bird food out for them because I think they're waiting. And I'll speak to you soon. And I'll take care everyone. And please don't forget to subscribe and like and share my channel. Thank you so much. And have a lovely day. Bye.